Fergus mac Róich, the exiled king of Ulster. Discover the legend of Fergus mac Róich, the betrayed king, warrior, and lover whose story is one of honor and revenge. Who was Fergus's father? Why did Fergus lose his throne? Who was Fergus's lover? What weapon did Fergus wield? Which province did Fergus serve after exile? Who did Fergus mentor? What war involved Fergus? Who killed Fergus? How did Fergus die? Why did Fergus refuse to fight Cuchulainn? What did Fergus do after exile? Who did Fergus swear revenge on? What did Fergus demand for his service? How did Fergus humiliate Ulster? Who did Fergus warn about Med? What did Fergus do to Conchobar's land? The exiled king's legacy still echoes through Irish myth. Thank you for testing your knowledge of Fergus mac Róich. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more mythological stories and quizzes from Broken Sword Gaming.